Hey everyone, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a wonderful day in this beautiful month of December, and thank you for joining me in yet another YouTube video on this channel, which I am making to inform you that I have released my first game on itch.io. Now, if you are not familiar with what itch.io is, it's basically a site for game developers to upload their new projects, their new games, and for players to check out these games. Now, of course, the game developers can set prices on the game, and I have put that as $0. Of course, the reason being for you to just to check out the game. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the final scene that I have made after completing the video. Now, of course, if you watched my previous videos, which I highly suggest you do, you will know that this wasn't in the game before. I have added the menu, of course. This is the menu. Now, I am also considering updating the game in future videos as I keep learning more about Unity and C#, maybe making a shop systems for players to buy skins or something like that. But of course I will leave that for the future videos. Now, of course, you'll know this is my first game and it's nothing serious. The game consists of 3 basic levels and it's a really simple game, but I'm releasing it for the purpose of you going to the link which I will leave in the description down below, checking the game out, and hopefully leaving feedback in the comments of this video. Of course, keep in mind that, as previously mentioned, this is my first game made with the help of YouTube tutorials, so don't go too harsh on me, guys. But any type of feedback would be really appreciated and worked on. Now, you are more welcome to leave suggestions when it comes to the video ideas or improvements in the comments as well. With that being said, I don't want to take up any more of your time. Make sure to go to this site, check the game out, and like and subscribe to the channel as well. That is it from me now, guys, and I will see you in the next video.